First, open your browser and you type zoom.us. Then look for sign in and click that one. Enter your Zoom account and password and click sign in. Now here, scroll down and look for account management. Click that one and click reports. So here, click active hosts. You can see the meeting ID, the creation time, start time, end time, and look for the participants and click that one. And then click export with meeting data. So in here you can see all the items of the meeting data. And now click export. So it will be exported through Excel. Open it. Now you can see here the meeting ID and all the names of your Zoom attendees and the topic that you have and the join time of your attendees and the leave time of your attendees. And you can see here also the time duration in minutes in each of your attendees. So that's it. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you very much.